block education officer in Kesat block in the district of Buxar. In a trap case, she was caught red-handed, alleged to be caught red-handed.
You've seen the order?
जी. Yes, sir.
Do you think that it is in terms of rules of 2005?
Sir.
सही है?
Accordingly नहीं है.
क्या किया है बताइए, आप क्या कहना चाहते हैं?
अब इसके बाद क्या कहेंगे हुजूर? एडमिट कर रहे हैं कि
नहीं, आप बता दीजिए, ये गलत एडमिट कर रहे हैं तो।
और रिटायर करेंगे.
नहीं, रिटायर नहीं करेंगे, 24 में रिटायर करेंगे.
क्या नहीं?
29 फरवरी 24 को हम रिटायर करेंगे.
ललिता.
जब ये इंक्वायरी ऑर्डर पास हुआ था, डिसमिसल का ऑर्डर पास हुआ था, आप सस्पेंशन में थे?
सस्पेंशन में थे. हमको सस्पेंशन अलाउंस भी 4 महीना का नहीं मिला है. उस लास्ट ओकेजन माय लॉर्ड वाज प्लीज टू डायरेक्ट द स्टेट काउंसिल टू फॉर अपीयरेंस ऑफ द डायरेक्टर एजुकेशन और द कमिश्नर along with the copy of the new procedure for conducting the departmental inquiry. Although I have annexed the same contained in Annex 24.
What date did we pass such order?
वो भरवली कहा गया था, वो जो 2/1/2023 को कहा गया था कि इनको लाने के लिए.
बताइए बहस करिए, या तो इसमें कोई ऑर्डर नहीं है.
कहा तो गया था वो जो
2123 को एक्टिवेट फॉर लिस्ट ऑन 9123.
In this case, while in the case of the party, I will
सर्कुलर है कि ट्रैप केस में रिश्वत लेते रंगे हाथ पकड़े जाने पर नया सर्कुलर एज पर दी ओपिनियन ऑफ
केस है, तरफ देखें तो.
in this case, my lord,
Let him recapitulate what he is saying.
my lord, Annexure 17, the petitioner was posted as block education officer in Kesat block in the district of Buxar. In a trap case, she was caught red-handed, alleged to be caught red-handed. Thereafter, departmental proceeding was initiated against her. Annexure 17 at page 190 is the order of the impugned order of the disciplinary authority contained in Annexure 17, my lord, at page 190. And appellate order is Annexure 21, my lord, at page 204. Annexure 17 में kindly first of
17
page 190,
We challenge Annexure 17.
my lord, and also Annexure 21, the appellate order at
All right.
page 204.
So what is your submission?
My lord,
What is your submission?
submission is, my lord, that the inquiry, it is a case of this departmental proceeding is a case of non-evidence, my lord. No any documentary nor the oral evidence has been examined. The PO was absent on that date, and no any documentary evidence as well as the list of witnesses have been served upon the petitioner along with the copy of the memo of charges contained in Annexure 3, my lord. And departmental proceeding has been concluded in contravention of rules 17 and 18 and 21 of the CCA rules, my lord. कोई भी provision को इन्होंने अडॉप्ट नहीं किया है.
Yes, that is why we called you.
जी,
Yes.
और जब हमने 4 डिसीजन भी हुजूर को साइट किया था और
डिपार्टमेंटल प्रोसीडिंग 2016 में ही कंक्लूड कर दिया गया. वो आरडीडी रिटायर कर गए 2020 में. उसके बाद कुछ सर्कुलर भी
ये डायरेक्टर साहब ने जो इंक्वायरी करी है,
जी
क्या करी है? You seen the order?
जी. यस सर.
Do you think that it is in terms of rules of 2005?
सर
सही है?
अकॉर्डिंगली नहीं है.
क्या किया है? You have not even called that person who had conducted the trap.
जी
नहीं.
In a way, you are helping this person to be reinstated. And the government will suffer with to have to pay the salary for this purpose. What action should be taken against that concerned director? He is not a small officer. He should know what is the law. For that only we called you.
एंड 124 जैसा देखा जाए गवर्नमेंट सर्कुलर हमने लगा दिया है कि उसमें हर विटनेस को एग्जामिन किया जाएगा। तो ट्रैप केस में प्री ट्रैप और पोस्ट ट्रैप मेमोरेंडम्स इवन द कंप्लेनेंट वुड बी एग्जामिन, नथिंग हैज बीन डन, ओनली ऑन इन ए डे द डिपार्टमेंटल प्रोसीडिंग हैज बीन कंटिन्यूड।
यस मिस्टर राम विनय सिंह, बताइए आप क्या कहना चाहते हैं?
अब इसके बाद क्या कहेंगे हुजूर? एडमिट कर रहे हैं कि
नहीं, आप बता दीजिए, ये गलत एडमिट कर रहे हैं तो।
हम तो इनके
15 में सर 2015 में सर्कुलर आया कि ट्रैप केस का अपर विभागीय जांच आयुक्त सुनवाई करेंगे, लेकिन ये आरोप पत्र और कंक्लूजन 14 में ही गठित हो गया था। तो
That is all right. Whether who should have conducted the inquiry,
जी
that circular is subsequent. But whoever is to conduct the inquiry,
जी
he has to follow the
नॉट
norms.
फॉलो द रूल्स।
CCA rules 17 and 18 and
You were under suspension before passing of this order.
passing order
now
since the beginning by
और रिटायर करेंगे
नहीं रिटायर नहीं करेंगे, 24 में रिटायर करेंगे।
क्या नहीं
29 फरवरी 24 को हम रिटायर करेंगे।
ललिता
जब ये इंक्वायरी ऑर्डर पास हुआ था, डिसमिसल का ऑर्डर पास हुआ था, आप सस्पेंशन में थे?
सस्पेंशन में थे, हमको सस्पेंशन अलाउंस भी 4 महीना का नहीं मिला है, उसके लिए भी हमने प्रेयर किया। सितंबर 15 से लेकर के हमको जून सितंबर।
Now the commissioner departmental inquiry will conduct an inquiry in this matter.
now new rules.
न्यू रूल्स 15 अकॉर्डिंग
देखिए, the petitioner by way of this writ petition assails the order dated 16/12/2016 passed by the respondent, whereby she has been dismissed from service on the basis
May I-
of a
I'm sorry
departmental
to-
inquiry.
तो the recent judgment है डिवीजन बेंच का हुजूर,
दे दो।
जिसमें ट्रैप के से संबंधित ही है हुजूर।
On the basis of a charge sheet issued to the petitioner, whereby it was alleged that she had been found taking bribe and was arrested.
Arrested
in a trap
by-
case.
On the spot.
The learned counsel for the petitioner submits that the
The state has filed the LPA, my lord, that dismissed by the division bench. Honorable single judge order is also there.
the petitioner had been trapped in a vigilance case registered against her on 18/9/2014. In regard to the same allegations, charge sheet was served upon the petitioner under Rule 17 of the CC Rules 2005 on 14/10/2014. While under suspension. However, the procedure laid down under Rule 17 of the CC rules was not followed, and the prosecutor did not present its case nor produced any evidence during the course of inquiry, and without there being any document proved in the inquiry proceedings, the petitioner was held guilty of having committed the delinquent. It is submitted that although the Deputy Director, Regional Deputy Director, Purnia Circle was appointed as the officer on behalf of the state to present the case. He did not present himself. Learned Counsel submits that the inquiry officer submitted his report and a copy thereto was made available to the petitioner, but her representation against the inquiry report was not considered, and she has been punished with a major penalty of dismissal from service. In the criminal case, proceedings are
pending. It is pending.
Proceedings are, trial is pending.
Trial is pending, yes. Trial is pending.
Trial is pending.
Learned Counsel submits that the provisions of the rules of 2005 are mandatory and they were required to be followed. He relies upon the judgment passed by the bench in letters patent appeal 63 of 2017 dated 22/8/2017, State of Bihar versus Anil Kumar.
इसी अनिल कुमार पर स्टेट का अपील डिसमिस हो गया है. State appeal dismissed.
Wherein a similar inquiry where no evidence was recorded, was held to be vitiated. Per contra, Learned Counsel appearing for the state has supported the case and pointed out that the petitioner has nowhere denied of having received bribe, and therefore the punishment order was rightly passed. You are the director?
Deputy Director, Regional Deputy Director.
In this case, on the previous hearing, this court found that it would be essential to call the concerned officer and the Deputy Director Education is present. It is informed that as per the circulars issued relating to vigilance inquiry, now the Commissioner Departmental Inquiry would conduct inquiries in such cases. As per circular dated
यही तो है. हाँ है. अभी तो हम पढ़ रहे हैं.
para
दे रहे हैं. और आगे होगा. ये नहीं है. अभी तो पढ़ रहे हैं.
I have considered the submission. As per circular dated 28/8/2015, देख जो आएगी जांच प्रतिवेदन की रिपोर्ट किधर है?
जी
इंक्वायरी रिपोर्ट किधर है?
एनेक्सर 12 एंड 14 में वो भी क्रिप्टिक है हुजूर। एनेक्सर 14 एमेंडेड इज 14 और फर्स्ट इज
I'll look at the
एनेक्सर 12।
reflects that the inquiry officer has simply mentioned the contention and explanation given by the delinquent and thereafter he has only referred to the FIR registered on 8/9/2014 to prove the charges against the petitioner. No evidence has been recorded, nor any opportunity of cross-examination has been given. Even the officer who conducted the raid and has not been examined. The court is thus satisfied that the provisions of the rules of 2000, Rule 17 of the CC rules of 2005 have been given a complete go-by. The inquiry is thus found to be wholly vitiated and therefore the consequent order Annexure 17 dated 16/12/2016 cannot be sustained in law. It appears that even the appeal authority has failed to take notice of the submissions made by the petitioner and has passed a mechanical order without application of mind.
Appellate order is, my lord, Annexure 21.
In 2009-2 SCC page 570, Rup Singh Negi versus Punjab National Bank, the apex court held as under court. This court, having noticed the general trend and method adopted in departmental inquiries in the government, had called the commissioner departmental inquiries so that the concerned officers may be sensitized with relation to the provisions of the rules of 2005. It was noticed that on account of a slipshod inquiry being conducted, persons who are otherwise guilty of having committed the offences and delinquencies, get scot-free from the court on account of defective inquiries. This court has also held in the case of that the concerned disciplinary authority as well as the inquiry officer would be accountable for such dereliction of their duty and in not following the provisions of the rules of 2005. while conducting an inquiry. In the present case also, this court finds that the order of dismissal cannot be sustained as the inquiry was not conducted in accordance with the rules of 2005, for which the concerned inquiry officer as well as disciplinary authority should be held accountable by the government. While leaving it for the Chief Secretary to take appropriate action, this court sets aside the order dated 9/9/2016 the order dated 16/12/2016 passed by the Director Elementary Education, whereby the petitioner was dismissed from service as the inquiry conducted by the inquiry officer, namely the Regional Deputy Director Purnia, is vitiated. The appellate order passed by the Secretary dated
4/4/2018 and except 21 by
18 is also quashed and set aside with direction to the Commissioner Departmental Inquiries to now conduct an inquiry afresh on the charges leveled against the petitioner in accordance with the rules. The disciplinary authority shall pass accordingly a fresh order. The petitioner, who was under suspension at the time of passing of the issued order, dated 16/12/2016, shall continue to remain under suspension and would be only entitled to subsistence allowance. The salary for the intervening period shall not be payable but continuity of service shall be granted to the petitioner. It shall not be payable in terms of no work, no pay. Writ petition is allowed as above.
मेरा ये जून 15 से लेके सितंबर 15 तक हमको सस्पेंशन अलाउंस भी नहीं मिला।
ये तो आपने कह दिया कि सब्सिस्टेंस अलाउंस
हो गया सर।
That is
sometime may kindly fix my loss. The petitioner is going to be tied in February 2014. 24.
the inquiry be concluded within period of 6 months henceforth.
Yes.